Ecoway. Expect better. Welcome to the Ecoway customer service instructional video. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to remove and install your smart toilet seat. Step number 1. Go ahead and turn off the water supply by twisting the valve or the T-valve. Once the water supply is cut off, go ahead and flush the toilet using the flush button on the side of your smart toilet to empty the water in the pipes. Or you can press the flush button on your remote control to empty the water in the pipes. Step number 2. Disconnect your smart toilet from the power supply. Step number 3. Remove the toilet seat by pulling up the seat and lid together. Or you can reach around the back and pull it off. Step number 4. You need to disconnect all the pipes and wires. You may use a wrench to loosen the pipe connections. To install a new toilet seat or reinstall your existing toilet seat, reconnect all the pipes and wires. Make sure all the wires are properly connected and are not bent or kinked. After all the hose and wires are connected, align the seat on top of the toilet base and gently push to lock them together. We hope this instructional video was helpful and you learned how to remove and install your smart toilet seat. If you still have any questions or concerns, please contact Ecoway support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching.